भाजपान म्हाका चारित्र्याचे प्रमाणपत्र दिवपाची गरज ना। आमकां केंद्राची दादागिरी सोपोवपाची आसा। आमकां गोंय राखपाक जाय, गोंयची संस्कृताय सांबाळपाक जाय म्हण पश्चिम बंगालाची मुखेलमंत्री ममता बॅनर्जी उलयल्या। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I don't divide. Sometimes BJP said, she is anti-Hindu. I am Hindu. You will give me a character certificate that I am a Hindu or I am Muslim. Who are you to give the character certificate? First you decide your character certificate. Then you decide for others. I am also from a Brahmin family, but I never said all these things. I am sorry to say. Sometimes I feel guilty. That it never happens earlier. If you ask me for Hindu, I will say yes, Om Sarva Mangala Mangale or Ganapati Bappa Moria. If you ask me for Muslim, I will say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. If you ask me for Christian, I will say God is great, God is good. If you ask me for Sardarji also, I will say Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ka Fateh. I will say everybody, even the Jains, Punjab, Sindhu, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid, Utkal, Bongo. Every state they have their own respect. So please carry this flag. Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress is a national party. Any party can come to anywhere. There is no problem. If we go, then you will deface us. He will show us black flag. He will not give us the permission. Why? Because they know Trinamool Congress may die, but they will never compromise. That is their worry.